Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shireen Moore and I am the founder of Ivy Wild. Ivy Wild is a hair products company which caters to wavy, curly and kinky hair types. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys how I actually grew my edges back. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I grew my edges back and what caused the breakage in the first place. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share with someone that might need to watch it. If you are subscribed to me, you already know that I was pregnant. I have a beautiful 7-month-old boy and he is just the love of my life. He's fantastic. With pregnancy comes a lot of hormonal changes, and during my pregnancy my hair was actually really thick. It was full. It was everything you would want it to be during your pregnancy, because your hair actually grows really fast and you get a lot of it. During your pregnancy, your hormones are absolutely raging and everything kind of goes into overdrive. For a lot of people, their hair actually gets thicker, fuller, longer. Hair was fantastic during the pregnancy. I was over the moon. The hair loss came probably 4 to 6 weeks after birth. During the hair loss, I actually filmed a video. I don't know if you've seen the video before. I took pictures and videos of my hair at the time. It really got me really sad. All of this area here, and on the other side you can kind of see where the growth is coming back now, but all of that was bald, pretty much bald. I did the best I could to try and hide it in some videos. Very first thing I noticed is that my hair, the actual texture of my hair kind of changed. It was a little bit dry, and the scalp in these particular areas anyway, it was just impossible to keep it moisturized. And my psoriasis was crazy. As you guys know, I do suffer from psoriasis. My scalp basically produces way too many skin cells, more than it actually needs. So the two things that I was dealing with was the dryness of my hair, my scalp being super dry and actually over flaking. So it was really difficult to kind of create different hairstyles that didn't show that up too much. It's really embarrassing, and I'm very conscious of my scalp when that does happen, when my psoriasis starts to flare up. But the only thing you can do really is try and bear it and use different products to try and make it look a little bit better. And washing it often tends to help keep it a little bit calm. And when I do find that it's flaring up, I try to use the medicated shampoo that's prescribed from the doctor. And in between washes, I'd say every 2 to 3 weeks, between using the medicated shampoo, I will actually use the hydrating shampoo, which is a cleansing shampoo as well. So something else that I was doing, which I wish I was doing during my pregnancy actually, is taking tablets. These are the tablets I started to take, and this is my second lot of tablets already that I've started to buy, and I'm going to consistently buy them. It replaces all the vitamins and all the minerals that you lose post-pregnancy. The kind of vitamins this actually include vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B6, folic acid, vitamin B12, biotin, which is something fantastic for hair, magnesium, iron, zinc, copper. A lot of the time hair loss can be because of a lack of vitamins or minerals that we actually have. So making sure that you actually take a supplement is going to be fantastic for you, and it's worked wonders for me as one of the things that I've been doing. The second thing I've been doing is making sure that I use a topical treatment for on top of my scalp and top of the areas where I'm actually facing the hair loss the most. This Ivy Wild Scalp Soother Oil has been fantastic for me. It's vegan, it has lots of natural ingredients in it, ingredients that specifically target hair loss. Some of the other things that you could be doing is making sure that you're actually avoiding tight braided styles and tight ponytails. That's actually going to cause you to pull your hair up to the top. And again, when you are dealing with hair loss, you're actually going to be exposing those areas more than you want to. Patience has to be the very best advice that I can give anyone that's dealing with hair loss. You can go from this to this, then I think I know what I'm talking about just a little bit. Just a little bit. You have to remember that different things are going to work for different people, and it depends on what kind of issues you've had existing with your hair. If you think you might actually be having hair loss from time to time quite often without any good viable reason, then it might be a good idea to go to the doctors and just get a blood test just to make sure that you're not deficient in any of the vitamins that are actually included in some of these vitamin supplements, especially if you've already tried a basic supplement already and that hasn't worked for you. Going back to patience, when we're thinking about using different products, we also have to make sure that we're giving these products a chance to work on our hair and a chance to work in our system as well. If you've been taking supplement tablets for a week and you feel like you've not seen any change, that's because you've not given it long enough to work. I actually saw results probably within about a month, I'd say, that I started to feel like I was getting a little bit of regrowth and allowing my hair to do what it needed to do. And that's probably why it worked really, really quickly for me. But if you're hiding your natural hair with a wig or with a band or anything like that, and it's actually going to cause rubbing and, you know, discomfort in this area that's already quite sensitive, that's like the worst thing that you could be doing, because what that's going to do is actually push back the time that's going to take for the hair to regrow. We have to make sure that we're giving our hair time to breathe, time to get back to its state that it wants to be, in a healthy, conditioned state. I tried to have a look on Amazon to see if I could actually find these on their website, but I actually bought these in a chemist, so you could have a look in a chemist. But what I have done for you is try to have a look at a similar product that you can get similar results from, and that is in the link below. For the link with the Scalp Soother Oil, this is already in the description bar, and again you can find it on the website www.ivywild.co.uk. So my hair loss was due to pregnancy, but there can be other reasons why you lose your hair. A lot of the time it can be stress related, but I thought, why not go through a couple of the tips and a couple of the things that I have actually experienced firsthand in growing my edges back, and also a couple of things that I probably would have done a little bit differently. By the way, how fantastic is this length, like retention? I've been using the Sheeby Growth Cream, and just to see how much longer my hair has got is giving me joy. I'll have to do a length check for you, but yeah, it's there now. Someone wanted to finish the video with me because he started to cry, so hi, say hi, Keo. What was I saying again? Yeah, patience. Patience is a big, big help when it comes to growing back your hair or hairline when you're experiencing hair loss. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I'm helping someone out there to grow back their edges. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Say bye-bye.